Day 2 at Finca Bellevue, and I am attacking the lawn with a saw blade. It's about 6 feet tall, this lawn, and I probably can only cut down to maybe a foot from the ground because it's just so strong. It's tough. It's like a big tree trunk. But let me show you. I did about 30 feet in about 20 minutes. So I started over there, and I got about this far. And that grass is as tall as me. This is what one Trump grass clump. This is what one grass lump looks like. Crazy. Just another day, Puerto Rico life.